You know what's crazy? Most businesses are still using AI like it's just some fancy calculator. But here's the thing. They're totally missing the bigger picture. There's a new kind of AI out there that doesn't just follow orders. It actually thinks for itself, makes decisions, and solves problems like a human would. It's called Agentic AI, and trust me, it's about to shake up the entire business world. All right, let's break this down. Most of the AI you've probably heard about, like chatbots, recommendation systems, or even self-driving cars, falls under what we call narrow AI. These systems are designed to do one thing really well. For example, a chatbot can answer your questions, but it's not going to suddenly start managing your calendar or writing your emails. Now, Agentic AI, that's a whole different ballgame. It doesn't just follow instructions, it acts like an agent. That means it can set goals, make decisions, and adapt to new situations without someone constantly guiding it. Think of it like this. Traditional AI is like a tool you use, but Agentic AI, it's more like a teammate. For example, imagine you're running a business. Instead of you telling the AI, hey, analyze this data, Agentic AI would already know what data to look at, figure out the trends, and then come to you with, here's what's happening, and here's what we should do about it. So, why is this such a big deal? Well, think about how much time businesses waste on repetitive tasks, things like scheduling, data entry, or even just figuring out what's working and what's not. Agentic AI changes all of that. It doesn't just automate tasks, it takes over the decision-making process. Let's say you're running an online store. Instead of spending hours analyzing sales data, Agentic AI could do it for you. It might notice that sales are dropping in one region and automatically adjust your marketing strategy to fix it. Or, imagine you're in customer service. Instead of just answering questions, Agentic AI could predict what your customers need before they even ask. Like, hey, this customer's subscription is about to expire. Let's send them a renewal offer. It's like having an employee who never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and is always 5 steps ahead. All right, so how does this actually work? Let me break it down for you. Agentic AI is built on 3 key principles. Autonomy. It doesn't need constant input from humans. Once it's set up, it can figure out what to do on its own. Adaptability. It learns from its environment. If something changes, like a new competitor entering the market, it adjusts its strategy. Goal-oriented behavior. It's not just doing random stuff. It's always working toward a specific goal, whether that's increasing sales, improving customer satisfaction, or cutting costs. Here's an example. Let's say you're running a marketing campaign. Traditional AI might help you target ads based on past data. But Agentic AI, it'll monitor the campaign in real time, figure out what's working, and tweak the strategy on the fly. If one ad isn't performing, it'll switch to another. If a new trend pops up, it'll jump on it before your competitors do. It's like having a marketing genius on your team, except it's a machine. Let's talk about some real-world examples because this isn't just some sci-fi concept. It's already happening. Take Amazon, for example. They're using Agentic AI in their warehouses. These aren't just regular robots moving boxes around. They're smart enough to figure out the most efficient way to organize inventory, predict what products will be in demand, and even adjust their workflows based on real-time data. Or look at the finance industry. Hedge funds are using Agentic AI to analyze market trends and make trades faster than any human could. It's not just following a set of rules, it's adapting to the market in real time, spotting opportunities, and minimizing risks. And then there's customer service. Companies like Salesforce are integrating Agentic AI into their platforms. Imagine a system that doesn't just respond to customer complaints, but actually predicts them. Like, hey, this customer's been having issues with their product. Let's reach out to them before they even call us. These are just a few examples, but the potential is massive. Now, before we get too excited, let's talk about the challenges. Because yeah, Agentic AI is amazing, but it's not perfect. One big issue is control. When you have an AI that's making its own decisions, how do you make sure it's doing what you want? What if it makes a decision that's technically correct but goes against your company's values? Then there's the problem of bias. AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, the AI will be too. For example, if you're using Agentic AI to hire employees, and the training data is biased against certain groups, the AI might end up making unfair decisions. And let's not forget about security. If hackers get access to an Agentic AI system, they could cause a lot of damage. Imagine someone hacking into a financial AI and making it crash the stock market. These are real concerns, and they're why businesses need to be careful about how they use Agentic AI. It's not just about what the AI can do, it's about how we manage it. So what does the future look like with Agentic AI? Honestly, it's hard to say exactly, but one thing's for sure, it's going to change everything. In the next few years, we're going to see more businesses adopting Agentic AI to stay competitive. Small businesses will use it to level the playing field with big corporations. Startups will use it to innovate faster. And industries we can't even imagine right now will be created because of it. But it's not just about business. Agentic AI could also help solve some of the world's biggest problems. Imagine an AI system that can predict natural disasters, optimize healthcare systems, or even tackle climate change. The possibilities are endless, but it all comes down to how we use it. Will we use it to make the world better, or will we let it create new problems? That's the big question. So, here's the bottom line. Agentic AI isn't just another tech buzzword. It's a game changer. It's not just about automating tasks. It's about transforming the way we work, think, and innovate. If you're a business owner, this is something you can't afford to ignore. Because the companies that embrace Agentic AI now, they're the ones that are going to dominate in the future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And when you're ready, check out the next video to see how you can start using AI in your business today.